Hey there, Stoic Sage. Welcome back to our channel. Subscribe this channel. Let's go to new topic. 5 powerful ways to handle people who don't respect you. A detailed Stoic approach. Disrespect from others can be frustrating, but Stoic philosophy provides a roadmap to navigate such challenges with dignity and strength. Stoicism teaches that we cannot control the actions of others, but we can always control how we respond. Here are 5 powerful ways to handle disrespect, explained in detail. 1. Master emotional detachment. Key Stoic principle. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. What it means. Emotional detachment means not letting others' words or actions dictate your mood or behavior. Disrespect only affects you if you give it power over your emotions. Why it's effective. Remaining calm denies the disrespectful person the reaction they may seek, showing your inner strength and self-control. Steps to practice. Pause before reacting. When someone disrespects you, take a deep breath before responding. This prevents impulsive reactions. Label the emotion. Internally identify your feeling, anger, frustration, hurt, and remind yourself that it's temporary. Shift your perspective. Say to yourself, this is not about me. Their behavior reflects their character, not mine. Second, set firm, calm boundaries. Key Stoic principle. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Marcus Aurelius. What it means. While Stoicism encourages self-restraint, it also emphasizes self-respect. Setting boundaries ensures others know how you expect to be treated without resorting to retaliation or anger. Why it's effective. Boundaries show self-respect and teach others how to engage with you appropriately. Steps to practice. Identify the line. Be clear about what behaviors you find unacceptable, e.g. insults, dismissive comments. Communicate calmly. For example, say, I won't continue this conversation if we can't keep it respectful. Follow through. If they persist, remove yourself from the situation or limit future interactions. 3. Focus on your own virtue. Key Stoic principle. First, tell yourself what kind of person you want to be, then do what you have to do. Epictetus. What it means. Your goal is to live in alignment with your values, regardless of how others behave. Virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, self-discipline is more important than external opinions or actions. Why it's effective. By prioritizing your integrity, you maintain your self-esteem and refuse to stoop to the level of disrespect. Steps to practice. Define your values. Reflect on what virtues are most important to you, e.g., kindness, fairness, patience. Act consistently. Ensure your responses to disrespect reflect those values. For example, remain polite even when others are rude. Let go of external validation. Remind yourself that your worth isn't determined by how others treat you. 4. Use disrespect as a chance to grow. Key Stoic principle. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. What it means. Disrespect and negativity are opportunities to practice resilience, patience, and emotional strength. Turn obstacles into stepping stones for personal growth. Why it's effective. Adopting this mindset empowers you to see challenges as lessons rather than threats. Steps to practice. Reframe the situation. Instead of thinking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this focus on growth? View disrespect as a chance to practice staying calm under pressure or improving your communication skills. Reflect afterward. Ask yourself what you did well and how you can handle similar situations even better in the future. 5. Accept what you can't control and move on. Key Stoic principle. Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. Epictetus. What it means. Some people won't respect you no matter what you do. Instead of wasting energy trying to change them, accept the situation and focus on what's within your control, your reaction. Why it's effective. Acceptance frees you from frustration and keeps your energy focused on positive, productive pursuits. Steps to practice. Recognize the limits of influence. Understand that you can't force respect, you can only inspire it through your actions. Practice letting go. Repeat to yourself, I cannot control their behavior, only my response. Redirect your focus. Invest your energy in people and activities that uplift you, rather than dwelling on negativity. Conclusion: rise above disrespect. Stoicism teaches that the best way to handle disrespect is by staying true to your values, maintaining emotional control, and refusing to let negativity derail your peace. By focusing on what you can control and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, you can handle disrespect with strength, grace, and wisdom. These strategies not only help you deal with difficult people, but also empower you to live a life rooted in self-respect and inner tranquility.